this CompSkill video. Today I want to talk about just one of Excel's really useful functions for cleaning data. So often the data we use is copied from somewhere else, and when we copy it in we get inadvertent extra spaces or other sorts of characters, and it's not, a good look for what we want to do. So if you take a look at this, a little example I've got here, I've got some data that I copied in, and you can see straight away that it's not lined up, so it tells me that there are some spaces there. So rather than go through each one and check out the spaces, I can use the trim function. But what I'm going to do first of all is just go up into the formula bar and show you what I mean by extra spaces. So if I look at John Stevens and I put my cursor here, I can see there are no spaces at the front, at the back, but there are spaces at the front because the cursor should be here. So let's go to Mike Jones and see what I mean. So the cursor's okay there, but if we put the cursor at the end, can see it doesn't, there are extra spaces after the name Jones. So we're going to just use the trim function. So simply, as we always do, hit enter and then start typing at the name of our function, tr, oh there it is there, trim. So we'll take it off the list and we might as well just go and open up the function editor. There's only one argument that we have to enter, and that's the text that we want the spaces to be removed from, and we can see that in the description here. So I'm just going to enter here A4, and it shows you here how it's going to change. It's going to remove some spaces from the beginning. So we'll say OK, we'll get rid of that and we'll copy it down. And now we can see that they're all lined up nicely. So if I want to take this now and copy it over my original data so it's space free, I simply just, while it's still highlighted too, just copy it, go back over here to paste, choose paste special and values, and paste it as values. And there we get it, we got it space free. And that's a lovely little example of how to use Excel's trim function, which is one of the really useful functions you should do. Thank you for listening to this CompSkill video, and I'll see you again with the next one.